Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use the templates in Soundful. So, let's begin. Here's how. Begin with your Soundful dashboard. Direct your attention to the left sidebar and locate the templates option. This is your gateway to a realm of musical possibilities. Within the templates section, you will find an array of musical foundations to choose from. Select the template that resonates with your creative vision. Keep in mind, the templates marked with the crown symbol are exclusively downloadable for those with upgraded plans. Hover your cursor over the chosen template, then click on the sound wave icon, which means to create. This action sets the template in motion. Next, click Create Preview to conjure a preview of your musical canvas. Now, the magic happens. Tailor and edit the template to match your artistic intent. Once your creative touch is complete, simply save your creation. It's now yours to cherish and share. And there you have it. Navigating Soundful's templates is a breeze, allowing you to infuse your unique flair into musical foundation. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.